Welcome to this geometry tutorial. Today, we are going to learn about the midpoint formula. This is a simple yet powerful tool used to find the exact middle point between two defined locations on a graph. By the end of this video, you will be able to calculate the coordinates of a segment's middle point with ease. First, let's define what we mean by a midpoint. In geometry, a midpoint is the specific point on a line segment that divides it into two equal parts. It is located exactly halfway between the two endpoints. You can think of it as the average location of the 2 points, balancing perfectly in the center. To understand the math, think of some real-world examples. If you are at mile marker 2 on a road and your friend is at mile marker 8, the meeting point exactly in the middle is mile marker 5. You find this by adding 2 and 8 to get 10 and dividing by 2. Similarly, if you score a 70 on one test and a 90 on another, your average score is 80. The midpoint formula works the same way. It is just an average. Here is the official midpoint formula. It looks like a coordinate pair. Denoted by capital M, it consists of two parts. For the x-coordinate, we add x1 plus x2 and divide by 2. For the y-coordinate, we add y1 plus y2 and divide by 2. It is simply two separate averages calculated side by side. Let's break it down. First, look at the horizontal values or the x-coordinates. To find the x value of the midpoint, you only need to average the x values of your endpoints. Add the first x and the second x together, then divide the result by 2. This gives you the horizontal center. Next, we do the exact same thing for the vertical values, or the y-coordinates. Ignore the x values for a moment. Take the first y and the second y, add them together, and divide by 2. This gives you the vertical center of the line segment. Let's apply this to a specific problem. Suppose we have point A at coordinates 2, 4 and point B at 6, 8. First, we add the x values. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Divide 8 by 2 and we get 4. Next, add the y values. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Divide 12 by 2 and we get 6. So our midpoint is 4, 6. Here is what that looks like on a graph. You can see our starting points A and B when we plot our calculated result, the point 4, 6. It lands exactly on the line segment connecting them, perfectly in the middle. This visual check confirms our math was correct. What if we have negative numbers? The process is exactly the same, but be careful with your signs. If we have negative 4, negative 2 and 2, 6, we add them just as before. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, divided by 2 is negative 1. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4, divided by 2 is positive 2. So the midpoint is negative 1, 2. There are two common mistakes students make. First, do not subtract the numbers. Subtraction is used to find distance, not the midpoint. Always add the coordinates. Second, do not mix your x's and y's. Make sure you are averaging the x values together and the y values together separately. To summarize, the midpoint is just the average of the coordinates. Remember these simple steps. Add the x's and divide by 2 to get the new x, add the y's, and divide by 2 to get the new y. If you remember average, you will always get it right. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.